Hi, I'm Dylan Paris. This is the Novation Launchpad Pro Mk3. I have actually owned one of these before, and I made the mistake of selling it a while ago because I didn't think I was going to be using Ableton as much, and that was a huge mistake, like I said. And I finally have one again. I already own an X. I probably didn't need a Pro, but really, the extra features this thing provides are just so good that it's worth having it. And today I'm going to show you some of why I love this thing. So I have the Surface Pro 8 in tablet mode right here, and this is going to, I hope, showcase for folks why I'm so excited about this portable setup compared to, say, an iPad, right? I kind of made the switch over to Windows with the Surface again and to Ableton, and using the Launchpad Pro Mk3 with Ableton in this whole setup, it really shows me why I did this. And so I'm not screen capturing today. I'm actually just gonna film this setup because I'm mostly just working here. I will sometimes touch the screen when I have to, but you can do most of what I want to do on the Launchpad Pro Mk3, which is awesome. All right, so let's choose a sound. Okay. Try that. Okay, so right now I have a normal, kind of all the notes here, but really quickly you can lock into a scale, and I like this middle option, and I'm going to choose a different root note and a different scale, like minor, major, that sort of thing. I don't remember which each one is, but here we go. So we're going to work in this scale and key today. Actually, I'm not vibing that one. I lied. Let's do this one. Okay, so let's set a top tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn our metronome on. Capture that MIDI. So now we have this little loop, and now we can actually go to Device, and these are Ableton Device parameters, and we're seeing them laid out here, but they match the parameters that you'll see on this device. So tail, attack, chorus mix. Take them back up. Reverb mix. Release. Tone. Sub oscillator. And we'll load up a drum kit. Actually, let's use battery for this one. Let's see if that worked. Otherwise, I'll just select MIDI track 2. Oh, yeah, it worked. It's just loading it. Okay. Go back to note, and in note, we'll turn off the scale so that we have access to all the pads. That's pretty loud. So we'll drop the volume of this track a little bit. I want my click back. Set fixed length for 4 bars and try recording it. Turn off the click. Boom. Alright, let's add analog lab 5, drag it it over, if that worked. I do think the touch interface is too small. I might be able to mess with the scale though. Maybe I'll do that right now. Although without a mouse, it's gonna get kind of funky. Yeah. Although that is a little better. We'll use this for now. See if that worked. Alright, go back to home. Leave. So that's pretty strange. Got this floating glitch here. No, block again. So we can see parameters here for this instrument. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to configure here. I'm going to go back to this instrument and I'm going to tap each one of these. Good. And now untap, go back here, go here. Now if I go to device, I can actually change all these parameters on the Analog Lab. Let's try some keys. Change the fixed length. Actually, I think we'll just turn off fixed length for this one. Now we'll mess with the parameters. Delay. Now we'll add a drum pad. And for Ableton drum kits, it moves it back into a normal drum view like on a push. And this one's too loud, so we'll lower that again. And honestly, everything is a little loud right now, so we're gonna lower everything. This one. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can mess with some stuff here. And if we like messing with automation, we can actually record the automation now. And we can see the automation playing back. So if I wanted to, I could duplicate the scene, and then I could clear out right here, turn off the chord arm, and now I have a bit of a beat built up. I think we need a bass sound. Like that. Undo the quantize. There we go. I think I want another bass on top of that. We'll use the Mini, I think, for this one. Mini V3. Let's find the cutoff filter right there, and let's map it so we can control it. All right, so now we have control over the cutoff right here. And I think I'm actually going to sidechain this bass to the kick. Compressor. If I sidechain it right now, it'll be any drum hit from battery. Alright, I'm alright with that. Okay, so I have this whole thing going right now. I think I'll go back to session. There we go. Got a bit of a build up. I think this actually needs a filter as well. Yeah, I think already this is sounding pretty cool. Alright, we'll insert an audio track and I want to try something. So I've got a Shure Beta 58A, little dynamic mic. I got it for if I ever do live stuff. Gonna plug it in here to input 1 on my audio interface, my Audion ID14 Mark II. Alright. Hello. I think I'll add some waves to. Hello. I don't think it's major. No transition really fast. Hello. I I try to get on, and I don't mind. Sounds cool. Let's EQ this mic though. I don't mind. I'll fall, you're fine. You'll stay half the time. Let's try throwing a amp on here. And I don't mind to say it again. That round fall apart until it's gone. Falling down. Say it again. I've been losing sleep, searching, say again that I know. Losing sleep, losing sleep, but I won't. Till it goes and breaks me down. I can't find for the life of me. I'm back again. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider liking and subscribing. I have music. It's on the internet. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, Bandcamp. Support your boy. Alright, I'll catch you soon. Bye.